Here we are going to implement add to cart in the product page. Go to the product page, and like what we did in the product item component, we need to get cart from React context using this code. Use context hook, import it from React, and pass store object from store.ts as parameter to this function, and the structure state and dispatch from the result of this function. Then get cart from state, and we're gonna use it in this code. What we're gonna do here is to define add to cart handler function like this. Call find method on cart item to check if we have this product in the cart or not. Based on this, we calculate quantity. If we already have this product in the cart, increase the quantity. Otherwise, set the default quantity to 1. Then we have if condition. If content stock is less than quantity, show this error message. Sorry, product is out of stock. Here I'm going to use Toast from React Toastify. So we need to install it. Open a new terminal, go to frontend folder, and npm install React-Toastify. Based on the documentation in React Toastify, we need to import Toast container inside app.tsx. Open app.tsx. At the very beginning, import Toast container and import React Toastify CSS from Node module folder at this address. Then find the header, and right before header, define this component, Toast container, set position to whatever you like. I'm setting to bottom center, and set the limitation for number of toast at a time. I set it to 1. Save it. Go back to product page and import Toast from React Toastify. Like this. Then let's continue the code. If we can add the product to the cart, we need to dispatch this action, cart add item, and the payload is convert product to item function by passing product to this function. Import convert product to cart item from utils folder, utils.js, utils, and what we did here is to convert the product, the structure fields of product, and replace the quantity with the value of quantity that we calculated here. Then show this message, product added to the cart. Then navigate user to the cart page. For navigate, we need to define use navigate hook. Import it from React Router DOM, get navigate, and use it to redirect user. Good. Here is the function to add an item to the cart and redirect user to the cart page. I'm gonna use toast.success inside the product item to go to product item.tsx. Right after clicking on add to cart item, I'm going to toast this message and import it from React Toastify like this. Awesome, it's time to use add to cart handler inside the component. Find add to cart, scroll down here, and add this property, unclick add to cart handler. Let's test the result. I click on Add to Cart Handler. Product added to the cart. Go to Product Details, click Add to Cart. Here we are getting this error because we did not implement cart page. It's the topic of next lesson. But when we click on it, it gets increased. It's 13, Add to Cart, and click back. It's 14. So it means that it works. Great. The last step in this lesson is installing React Router Bootstrap. Open terminal, in the front-end folder npm i React Router Bootstrap. What is this package? It's for creating link for components that we cannot set a link directly to them, like in the app.tsx. For navbar brand, we are going to make it linkable to the homepage. The only way to do that is to use the React Router Bootstrap package by using link container. Link container should be imported from React Router Bootstrap and set to, like what we did in the React Router, to the homepage, and move the navbar brand inside the link container. Great. Here we are getting an error, and it's about the declaration file for this one. So what I need to do is to follow the instruction here to install the types of React Router Bootstrap. Open your new terminal and paste the code here, npm install save dev types of React Router Bootstrap. After running this, we don't have this error anymore. Let's check the result here. This time it's linkable. When I click on the brand of the website, I can go to the homepage. Awesome. We've successfully implemented React Router Bootstrap in the project, and that's it about this lesson.